All right, let's talk about one of the key technologies that makes modern AI so powerful. Transformers. You might be thinking of the robots from movies, but in AI, a transformer is something quite different. Transformers are a type of model architecture that has revolutionized how we process and understand language in AI. So, what makes transformers special? In simple terms, transformers allow AI to handle and make sense of large amounts of data very efficiently. They do this by focusing on the relationships between words in a sentence, regardless of their position. This is different from older models that had to process words one at a time in order. Imagine you're reading a sentence. With a transformer, the AI doesn't just go word by word, it looks at the whole sentence at once, understanding how each word relates to every other word. This is what we call attention in AI, and transformers use multi-head attention to do this multiple times in parallel, making the AI much smarter and faster at understanding context. This architecture is the backbone of many advanced AI systems today, including the large language models like GPT that we've been discussing. It's why these models can generate such human-like text and handle complex tasks that require deep understanding of language. In essence, transformers are like the engine under the hood of a high-performance car, making AI not just possible, but incredibly powerful. Now, I know it feels like I might be taking you into a few rabbit holes here, but I promise these small turns are important. They'll help you understand the building blocks of large language models much better. So just hang in there with me.